Make a great choice today with the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.